Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on XRP coin. The price line of XRP has reached the support of a very big symmetrical triangle on the weekly time frame. And in today's video, we will analyze whether the price line is going to break down the support of the triangle or it will break out this resistance of the triangle to start a huge rally from here. And before starting the analysis, by the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to recall my major idea with you that I have been sharing with you in my previous different videos. That was the formation of a very big bullish harmonic Gartley pattern that was formed on the weekly time frame, and the price line completed this final leg here. And we also had a nice support of 25 weekly simple moving average and 50 simple moving averages as well. And our sell targets were from $1.09 and it goes to $1.66. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line reversed very well and rallied up to $1.16, and now it is again dropped in the same buying zone that I've defined as per this bullish harmonic Gartley move. Now let's move to the weekly time frame, the live weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that the price line has formed another symmetrical triangle on the same weekly time frame. The price line entered in this triangle in December 2020, you can see. And now it is December 2021 and the price line has reached at the end of this triangle. You can see that the price this triangle is getting more and more squeezed. So this is the decision making time for the price line to break out this resistance or break down the support. I'm expecting that the price line is going to break out the resistance of the support, and I will show you why I am expecting this move. And we can see that the price line never broke down this support, even though we had this very drastic drop here. And if I switch to the daily time frame from here, then we can watch exactly when this drop was happened. You can see that 1, 2, and 3 days ago this drop was happened on 4th of December when we had a spike up to 60 cents, but the price line recovered back above this support. This is showing that this support is really very powerful and the price line is not breaking down this support. Now, if we take a look at the RSI Oscillator on the same weekly time frame chart, then we can see that we have here the price line has formed 3 major lows. First low we had here when the price line entered here in the triangle. Then we had the second low here in the month of July, and recently the price line has formed another major low. And if we take a look at the RSI, then RSI is also following the price line and it has also formed 3 major lows below the lows of the price line. You can see that the price line formed this low, another low is higher than previous low, another low is higher than previous low, and the RSI has also formed 3 lows, but this low is higher than this one, the previous one. If I place the trend line, then it will be more visible for us to watch this move. We can see that the RSI has formed a higher low than the previous low, but if we take a look at the next low, then here price action has formed another higher low than previous low, but the RSI has formed lower low than previous low. The next low is lower than previous, so there is also a hidden bullish divergence appeared on the daily on this weekly time frame, and the price line, you can see that already has reached the support, very strong support of a symmetrical triangle, and the triangle is getting squeezed and more squeezed. So it is possible that we will have a reversal move very soon, like we are likely to have this reversal. We are having this green bullish candlestick appeared at this support, so it is possible that this move will be continued and soon it will break out this resistance of the triangle. And right now the resistance is approximately at $1.10. And if the price line breaks out this resistance of the triangle, then our next target after this breakout will be, for example, if we will have a breakout from here, then our next target can be here. That is approximately $2.70. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.